Welcome to the robots.txt generator, the easiest way to create a robots.txt file for your website. Easy mode. Let's start with the easy mode. First, type your website name. For example, here, I've entered unmiss.com. Next, select the type of website you have. If you're unsure about your website type, simply choose the General option. In this example, I'll select SaaS. After that, click Analyze, and voila! A perfectly tailored robots.txt file for a SaaS website is ready. You can copy it directly, save it for future use, or even share and export it. The exported file will be available as robots.txt. If you want to clear all settings and start fresh, just hit Clear. That's how simple the easy mode is. Advanced mode. Now, let's move on to the advanced mode. Here, you'll have more control over the details. Start by entering your website name. Then, configure options like allow or disallow specific pages or directories, crawl delay, sitemap inclusion, search robots you want to allow or disallow. If you want to restrict multiple directories, just click the plus button to add them. Once everything is set, click Create Robots. Make sure to input a valid URL before generating the file. And there you have it. Your robots.txt file is ready. You can create, export, and access the file in the robots.txt format. Conclusion. That's how our robots.txt generator works. Simple, efficient, and tailored to your needs. Thank you for using our tool.